Unisense Valve was founded in 2017, specializing in various stainless steel ball valve, gate valve, globe valve, check valve, strainer and casting. We have 12 large-scale casting and processing workshops with an annual output of 20,000 tons of casting foundry and 1 million sets of valves. We have passed ISO 9001, CE, EAC, ECM certification. Unisense is ready to provide professional and competitive, safe and reliable one-stop product solution. Our valves are mainly applied for machinery industry, chemical, oil, gas, petrochemical, water treatment and power industry.